Do you ever find yourself saying, I could keep my place much neater if I just had more storage? Welcome to the first short video in this series covering the 7 biggest clutter clearing mistakes and how to avoid them. I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. I liberate busy women like you from the shackles of clutter and disorganisation so you get peace of mind and achieve whatever you set your heart on. Are you constantly buying neat boxes, files, containers, but you still can't control your clutter? Do you think the answer to your clutter problem is to find the right storage? You're not alone. When clients phone me for the first time, they often open with, I need advice on how best to organise my flat or house and what storage would work best. We just haven't got a lot of space. Now, don't get me wrong, nifty storage solutions can be great. They organise your stuff, protect it, and make sure that you can access it easily. And I share lots of great advice on storage solutions. But storage is never the solution to a clutter backlog. Look, you know what happens when you get a bigger handbag, don't you? You just end up carrying around more stuff. I promise you that if you try to solve your clutter problem with storage, the problem will return. You will fill up that storage and then you'll need more. The only solution to clutter is to go through it, deciding what to keep and letting go of what you no longer want or need. And if you think you can't do that, watch the rest of these videos because you definitely can, and I can show you how. Have you ever tried to solve your clutter problem with storage? How did it go? Comment below. And if this video has been useful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks if you do. See you tomorrow.